So what's going on, Gas Gang? We're back with a good old superbike versus supercar showdown between two rapid but very different creations. Today it's naturally aspirated V4 versus twin turbo V10. Strap in and let's get it.
Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it.
For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description. Yo, stop what you're doing right now and listen up. Myself and Level Up Giveaways have teamed up this Christmas to bring one lucky winner the life-changing opportunity to win £100,000. Now just imagine what you could do with £100,000 of tax-free cash. You could put a humongous deposit on a house. You could literally buy that supercar you've always wanted, get a loft extension, go traveling, do whatever you want. £100,000 is sure to change your life and make this Christmas the best one you've ever experienced. And it gets even crazier. There's actually an additional £60,000 of instant wins to be won additionally to the £100,000 main prize, including 14 other massive cash prizes. One chance to win £10,000 instantly, 3 chances to win £5,000 instantly, and 10 chances to win £1,000 instantly. This giveaway is no joke. With so much up for grabs, what have you got to lose? The competition comes to an end on December the 24th, Christmas Eve, when one lucky winner will be chosen at random. It only costs £2.99 to enter. You answer a simple question and that's it. You're in with a chance of winning. It's a no-brainer. Check the links down below in the description and good luck. It's a big one. Let's get back to the video. So welcome back to the OG battles here at the MANNOL Battlegrounds, where we line up and let our toys do the talking. And today it's a 2-wheel versus 4 wheels matchup between two insane builds. In one corner, we've got a modified all-wheel drive twin-turbo V10 supercar, and in the other, a lightweight 4-cylinder tuned superbike. And we're about to see what happens when these two different worlds collide. And in partnership with Race Logic, we're going to be carrying out 2 sets of races. First up today, it's a quarter-mile roll race. Next up, it's a drag race to the quarter mile. All races are best of 3, and the V-Box Performance Box Touch will be recording data such as 0 to 60s, quarter-mile times, and more to let you know how these savages perform. Let's get over and meet the cars and their owners. So first up today, welcoming back Jason, aka Fleggy, to the battles, repping for the 4-wheeled enthusiasts, driving his insane 800 brake horsepower V10 twin turbo 5.2 litre Audi R8 V10 Plus, built by QST and tuned by SRD. The R8 still on a stock engine and gearbox, however, mods and spec coming up. And he's going to be stepping up against, welcoming Mike to the battles, repping for the superbike community on his 219 brake horsepower, 1100cc V4 APRILIA RSV4 factory. Mods and spec coming up. Alright guys, so we have got another crazy race on our hands today, another bikes versus cars race, and we've got a serious car and we've got a serious bike, and I want to introduce, or in fact welcome back Mr. Fleggy Jason to the channel. You pulled up in the R8 today,
Yep.
twin turbo R8,
Yep.
but you're racing a savage bike, brother.
Yeah.
How do you reckon you're going to get on?
I was excited,
Okay.
but I've had a couple of problems with the car before we came.
Okay.
So I don't know what we've got at the moment.
Okay.
I snapped the drive, not the drive shaft, the crankshaft to the pulley basically broke. So it's been to Alex's, fixed it, come out, but we haven't done a tune, so I don't know what it is.
Okay, this is kind of the this is the
like.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right,
yeah.
cool. Are you confident though?
I'd like to say on the I think off the acceleration, I got 4-wheel drive compared to 1-wheel drive.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I hope that the acceleration would be good.
Okay.
I think off the rolling road, I think I'm going to get done.
Okay. All right, cool. We want confidence anyway, brother.
Yeah.
We want confidence. Introducing Mike to the channel, brother.
How we doing?
Bro, I'm good. You pulled up in a serious bike, representing for the two-wheeled enthusiasts, one-wheel drive enthusiasts, and yeah, you're racing a serious car today, brother. How do you reckon you're going to get on?
So I've never done anything like this, so it's all new to me. I'm more of a B-road blaster, a bit of track day. But yeah, like he says, 4-wheel drive, I reckon he'll do me off the line, but roll race, smoke him.
Oh, I said smoke him. All right, cool. Well, we like confidence. Okay, whatever happens today, guys, enjoy it. No foul play.
Nope.
Should we have a shake of hands? Seal the deal, and let's race. First up, it's the roll races. But before we get cracking, let's get a few sound checks.
Back again for another day. Loving the days. Never ever raced a bike in my life apart from on the A41. He's fast, man.
I don't know. Honestly, I kind of want to say the bike, but it looked very tight by the finish line. Finish line, who won that?
The winner was the bike again, probably by about 2-3 cars.
Insane. And Mike came to play no games, pulling hard on the R8 and beats him to the line by a bus length. Yeah, I weren't expecting that. Let's line him back up and go again. I'm saying the R8 took it that time. That's how it looked from where I'm standing, but I'm not even gonna guess. Let's find out. Finish line, who won that race?
So the motorbike won by about 2 car lengths.
Oh man, that's all she wrote.
That is mad.
Mad. And although Jason manages to hold onto the bike for a little longer that time, once again, the bike pulls out front and takes the second roll race by a good few car lengths.
I mean, that's got some torque, man. That was cool.
Bro, that first run, mate, I was over in that green stuff in the middle. I was like,
So let's just take a look at the fastest 100 to 200 kph times achieved during the runs using a V-Box PBT. And unsurprisingly, the bike shows a much stronger mid-range, going 100 to 200 kph in just 4.33 seconds. The R8, over a second slower, manages a best time of 5.57 seconds. However, unfortunately, neither the bike or car fast enough to chart with the Elite 15. That's data to back up the results. And round one, quite effortlessly, goes to Jason and the biker community. Next up is the drag races. Is this where that all-wheel drive quattro system shows these bikers what's what? Let's find out.
Ready, set, go!
I think the bike smoked him. I think the bike got it. The R8, I'm sure it can launch harder. It was a very soft launch from the R8 there, but I'm gonna say, from where I'm standing, it looked like the bike won. Finish line. Who won that?
The bike won that by about 2 car lengths.
Oh, so it was quite close, but 3-0 to the bike.
Engine light, come on.
And oh boy, this ain't going well. The R8 is not happy. It seems to only soft launch, then gets beaten all the way down the track by the Aprilia. Right, let's line them back up and see if Jason can get that launch dialed in.
I'll give it another. That's it. We give it a go.
Yeah.
It just didn't like it very much. Yeah, it was like it come up on the engine light and just short shifted. So we give it another go. It's a giggle. Let's do it.
Ready, set, go!
Engine light.
Yeah, that didn't sound good. That did not sound good. Again, quite a soft launch from the R8, and then mid-run, it looks like something become very unhappy. I know who won. I'm not even gonna ask the finish line. The bike won that one.
And once again, the R8 only seems to partially launch, then throws up the dreaded engine management light mid-run. Oh boy, the Aprilia once again takes the win, crossing the line unchallenged. So let's just take a look at the fastest quarter mile and 0 to 60 times achieved during the runs using a V-Box PBT. And yep, the bike went a whole load quicker than the Audi, covering the quarter mile in just 10.44 seconds at a speed of 146 miles per hour and drops into third position on the Bike Plus leaderboard. The R8, massively affected by its soft launch and mid-run issues, only achieves a best time of 11.76 seconds at a speed of 126 miles per hour. Unfortunately, not fast enough to chart with the all-wheel drive top 15. Then taking a look over at the fastest 0 to 60 times achieved, once again the RSV4 shows who's boss and hits 60 the quickest in just 3.14 seconds and drops into a joint 4th position on the Bike Plus leaderboard. The R8 only manages a best time of 3.95 seconds today and unfortunately doesn't do enough to chart with the all-wheel drive top 15. And this time, both the drag race and roll race victories go to Mike, the Aprilia, and the bike community. He lifts the Sugarcoat Cup and takes home a full set of their ultra-effective, super sweet ceramic waterless washes. Congrats, bro. So today, it only went one way, with the two-wheeled community taking all the victory. I honestly thought the races would have been closer, but Mike ripped the hell out of that Aprilia, running strong times all day and takes both the drag and roll race wins. Unfortunately today, the R8 just wasn't happy, struggling in all races. For reference, the last time Jason and the R8 raced on the battles, the car ran 9-second quarter miles, sub-3 0 to 60s and mid-3s 100 to 200. So it's a proven fast car, but today with its issues on its new base map, it just was not meant to be. He's since ironed out all the problems and assures me he'll be back soon to show what the car's really capable of. Either way, a massive shout out to both lads for stepping up and laying rubber for the culture. And with that said, let me know who you were backing, 4 wheels or 2 wheels, and of course, which one of the two you'd prefer parked outside on your driveway. And if you have enjoyed today's races, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't miss another battle by smashing that notifications bell. And we'll be back, same place, same time, with another crazy OG battle. Peace out.